and welcome to day 10 of 100 days of Power BI. I'm super excited. We are actually 10% out of 100 days of Power BI. The objective of this live stream is for us to upskill our Power BI skills, to upskill and on our data analytics skills in Power BI. And we are doing that using the resources on the DataCamp platform. And so far, so good. We've covered a couple of courses, a couple of topics. So you can watch previous live stream on the channel to catch up. Also, the data set exercise files for you to practice along with me will be linked or is already linked under the description. So do make sure to check it out and download those data sets, exercise files, Power BI files, so you can practice along with me and master the concept we'll be covering on this live stream. Let's continue learning.
Let's talk about short-term memory and cognitive load. Here is a very simplified version of how humans process signals. Sensory information enters the brain and enters short-term memory. We act on that short-term memory and either drop the information or consolidate it into long-term memory for more permanent storage. When we need that information again, we recall it into short-term memory to use it. George Miller, in 1956, released a study showing that humans can hold somewhere between 5 and 9 pieces of information at a time in short-term memory. Since Miller's paper, further research has noted the importance of chunking short-term memory information, which can help you hold more than 9 individual pieces of info. This matters because of cognitive load. One way to think of cognitive load is how many things on the page can distract me from my task at hand. In this example, we see a somewhat information-dense dashboard with a lot of extra visual noise, things that do not provide timely, relevant information. We also have at least 3 different stories being shown on this dashboard, including total sales amount